Akala mo kapag nagka-TB ka or tuberculosis, mauubos ang savings mo. But in my case, I actually saved 31,000 pesos. Wanna know how? I'll share with you my story. Last February 2024, nagkaroon ako ng ubo that lasted for more than a month. Akala ko simpleng ubo lang or allergy sa dust and pollution. But when I finally went to the doctor, my pulmonologist said, "Christine, if your cough lasts for 2 weeks, you should already see a doctor." Lesson learned, wag maghintay masyado bago magpa-check up. After my labs and x-ray, my doctor told me I had TB or pulmonary tuberculosis last March 2024. She prescribed a 6-month treatment plan. Bawal ang alcohol or wine, and I had to follow everything strictly, pati yung time kung kailan ko kailangan i-take yung TB meds. Sabi niya rin, hindi natin matutukol directly kung saan ko siya nakuha, pero possible sa labas wherein merong isang TB patient na umubo during his or her first 2 weeks of medication. Tapos nagkataon na mahina ang immune system ko at that time, kaya nahawa ako. Thanks to Mommy for taking care of me during the first few days of my medication. Along the way, syempre may mga challenges din akong na-encountered. My SGPT and SGOT levels went up, so I had to stop my TB meds for 9 days and consult a gastro. Then around April, OMG, nagkaroon ako ng acne breakout. Look at this! I tried new skincare products pero walang effect. Finally, after 2 months na hindi na talaga ako mapanatag kung ano nangyayari sa mukha ko, I decided to see a dermatologist. Just like what I did in searching for my pulmonologist and gastroenterologist at Asian Hospital, talang ako sa Medicard website para mag-search ng dermatologist doon naman sa Medicard clinic kasi nasa Makati ako at that time. Thank you to AAA for my Medicard HMO as a financial advisor and unit manager. Nung pumunta na ako sa derma, kinwento ko sa kanya yung current situation ko wherein I'm taking TB meds at hindi na ako mapakali dito sa mukha ko. Sabi niya nga, possible, side effect ito ng gamot na tinitake ko. Since marami na akong tinitake na meds, hindi na daw siya magre-recommend ng oral meds. Magi-skincare products na lang kami and other procedure para mawala yung acne marks ko. Last May 2024, when I visited my pulmonologist again, nagsuggest siya na pumunta daw ako sa Barangay Health Center to get my TB meds para makatipid. Hindi ko alam na may ganun palang program for TB patients. Pupunta ko ng health center, dala-dala ko doon yung aking papers, yung result ng labs ko, yung doctor's request, yung diagnosis, and then yung x-ray ko from Asian Hospital. Told them that my pulmonologist suggested na pumunta ako doon for TB meds. Of course, dadaan ka nga lang sa process na you fall in line and then wait for your turn and then you show the results that you have and napipila ka for the medicines. And since my health card or HMO covered my checkups, my labs, my x-rays, halos wala na akong ginastos moving forward nung nakakuha na ako ng medicines dito sa health center. That combo, HMO and Barangay Health Center saved me 31,000 until matapos ko yung medication ko by the end of August. Sa loob ng TB form ko, kailangan kong maglagay dito kung kailan ako nag-take ng gamot, binabangga nila sa personal records nila. And finally, last September 2024, I already received my clearance from my pulmonologist after I showed this form and also yung aking latest x-ray. TB-free na ako. After everything, I realized that healing takes time, patience, and the right protection. Here's what I learned. Number 1, don't ignore symptoms. Early checkup can save your life. Number 2, follow your doctor's instructions. Kahit mahirap minsan. Imagine, 6 months ako nag-take ng TB meds. Kailangan ko maglagay ng alarm para during nagmi-meeting ako, whether sa office or via Zoom, hindi ko makalimutan yung tamang pag-take ng TB meds. Number 3, have an HMO or health insurance para hindi ka natatakot magpa-check up or isipin mo na ayoko magpa-check up, baka mahalang gagastusin ko. And if your barangay has free health programs like what I shared, take advantage of that. Sayang naman kung hindi mo alam. Number 4, have a health fund. I save every month for this. Ikaw, pwede kang 15-30. Pwedeng dito mo kukunin yung pambayad mo ng health card or HMO kung sakaling wala kang HMO from your company. Dito mo rin kukunin yung pambili ng gamot mo and other diagnostic tests. And also, kung sakaling magjo-join ka ng mga fitness programs, pwede din, or kaya naman pambili ng mga healthy food. Don't forget to set aside dahil mahal talaga magkasakit dito sa Pilipinas. If you know someone na na-diagnose din ng TB, please share this video. And if you have questions with regards to HMO or health insurance, you may comment down below or you can send me a message. Let's make sure you're protected so that you can focus on healing and not hospital bills.